with friends. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. Take picture. Take picture. Play the guitar. Play the guitar. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Paint a picture. Paint a picture. Go to bed. Go to bed. Have lunch. Have lunch. Watch TV. Watch TV. Phone people. Phone people. Do the cooking. Do the cooking. Do the cleaning. Do the cleaning. Read the book. Read the book. Surf the net. Surf the net. Chat with friend. Chat with friend. Listen to music. Listen to music. Dry your hair. Dry your hair. Setting the table. Setting the table. Drink the milk. Drink the milk. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, लर्न इंग्लिश इजी वे में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। डेली इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन की आज की इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम सीखेंगे, जब भी हम किसी से बात करते हैं तो हमारा बात करने का अंदाज अलग अलग व्यक्तियों के साथ अलग अलग होता है। तो आइए इस वीडियो में हम डॉक्टर और पेशेंट के बीच हुए वार्तालाप को सुनते हैं और समझते हैं। कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन डॉक्टर एंड पेशेंट। Good evening, doctor. Good evening. You look pale and your voice is out of tune. Yes, doctor. I'm running a temp. Yes, is it? He removes the thermometer and looks at the reading. Doctor, not too high. Minus 99.8. Your blood pressure is fine. It looks bit scruffy, not good. Yes, it has been quite bad. Do you get sweating and shivering? Not sweating, but I feel somewhat cold when I sit under a fan. I'm prescribing free medicine and a syrup. The number of dust in front of each tells mean you have to take the medicine twice in the day, once in the morning and once after dinner. You have any other questions? No, doctor, thank you. Conversations about headache. Doctor, I have headache since yesterday evening. Have you taken any medicine so far? Saridon, but the headache hasn't disappeared. You have a running nose? Times in the night. What did you eat yesterday? I ate some snakes on the roadside eatery. It's like a result. Any medicine, doctor? Yes, I am prescribing few controlled diarrhea. Thank you, doctor. Conversation with an oncologist on cancer. So what bring you here? Doctor, my father has been diagnosed with abnormal growth of cells in colon, which doctors so far have confirmed as a case of cancer. What test have you conducted? On the advice of doctors in the Lucknow, we conducted blood test, CT scan and biopsy. We have taken three opinion on the reports and all have open colorectal cancer. Here are the reports.
Would you like important
Yes,
stuff for
this
you?
looks cancerous. What we will do is
नो करना
admit
है,
him today
ये तो बस
itself
पुरानी
and
नहीं है।
get few tests done.
ओके
And
देख लीजिए,
let's meet tomorrow morning when you have the
और ये
reports of
दोनों इसको
these
कॉपी
tests.
कीजिए।
Okay, thank you, doctor.
और ये आपका JW12C हो गया है कंप्लीट।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स,
तो
लर्न
फर्दर
इंग्लिश
कंटिन्यू
इजी वे
करना
में
चाहेंगे
आप सभी का बहुत
तो
बहुत
यहाँ पे
स्वागत
क्लिक
है।
कीजिए,
डेली इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन की
ओके
आज की इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम सीखेंगे, जब भी हम किसी से बात करते हैं तो हमारा बात करने का अंदाज अलग अलग व्यक्तियों के साथ अलग अलग होता है। तो आइए इस वीडियो में दो फ्रेंड्स के बीच हुए वार्तालाप को सुनते हैं और
ये
समझते
आपका
हैं।
ओपन होएगा। जिसका भी आप लॉजिक कॉन्फ़िगर करना है
Hello,
यहाँ पे
is it
क्लिक करके
Mansi?
क्रिएट
Yes, speaking. Hello, Dhani here. Oh, Dhani, how are
मैं अपना
you?
डेस्कटॉप एप्लीकेशन लेता हूँ। ओके
Very well, thank you. What's new, Mansi? Well, nothing new, just as usual.
नेक्स्ट करता
Shall
हूँ,
we meet this evening?
नेक्स्ट
Why
करता हूँ,
not? Where?
फिनिश करता हूँ।
At my place at 6:30. Okay.
एंड दिस टाइम
Conversation with
नो
friends.
प्रॉब्लम देयर। तो दीजिए आफ्टर ब्रेक टू वेट फॉर योर माइक्रो
Hello, is that Novel Pens? Yes, sir,
नीचे
Novel
वाले ऑप्शन
Pens.
पे मत
How can
जाइए।
I help you? I want to speak to Mr. Rajan, please. Sorry, sir, Mr. Rajan is
ये
out,
ओपन
but
करता हूँ,
he is expected to be back soon. Any message for him? Yes, please, as soon as he comes, please ask him to call me. And peace and my number is 444-2569. Don't worry, Mr. Rajan, I will get your message. Thank you.
क्रिएट न्यू डोमेन या अपडेट।
Send immediately ambulance 8 mobile.
कर देते हैं नेक्स्ट। फाइल टेम्पलेट है
Verma.
यहाँ पे।
Is it directory inquiry? Yes.
नेक्स्ट,
Where are you calling from, sir?
ये लॉजिक पासवर्ड
What's
यहाँ पे
the
दीजिए।
trouble, sir? From 34 Raj Kamal Wadala, I'm Verma. An old man has been run over by a taxi. The driver didn't stop. The old man has lost much blood. Kindly send an ambulance as soon as possible. Where is this exactly, sir?
पासवर्ड एक कैरेक्टर होना चाहिए इमीडिएटली। नेक्स्ट कीजिए,
Just behind General Library Wadala.
नेक्स्ट कीजिए।
Okay, we are leaving.
लॉक करने वाले यहाँ पे।
Thank you. I'm waiting for you. Conversation with father and daughter.
नेक्स्ट।
Dad, I want to go to a trip with my friends to Goa. We have already visited this place, dear.
नेक्स्ट कीजिए,
But this is the last year of my school. Will the place change if you go for the second time?
इसको अलाउ
As
कीजिए।
I will be going with my friends, there will be a lot of fun and I want to make some memorable moments in the last few days of my school. When you go with us, you leave your thing here and there. How will you manage when you go alone?
एडमिन यूआरएल क्लिक कीजिए।
This is the way how I will know how to live and manage my own thing even I make mistakes. Oh, go ahead. Conversation
इसको अलाउ कीजिए।
Conversation with mom and daughter. I received progress report of your
नेक्स्ट
examination.
मैंने कर
What
दिया।
is my progress in all subjects?
ये देखो,
I know well about myself. I'm very weak in physics and chemistry. I sold biology and mathematics papers well, but I'm very sorry I could not get good marks in physics and chemistry. You have failed in science subject, especially physics and chemistry. Your progress in Urdu and Islamic studies is also not satisfactory and your marks are not more than 60%. My old teachers are not in my favor.
ये देखिए आपका सक्सेसफुल
Do not
इंस्टॉलेशन हो गया
blame them.
पीएलसी का।
They are
इंस्टॉल
your
करने के लिए
teachers.
एडमिन कीजिए।
Your teacher Salima is very
सलीमा
hardworking and other
यहाँ
teachers
पे
are
देखिए
very fine.
ओपन
Your report shows that you are very lazy and careless.
नेक्स्ट।
I shall tell
यहाँ
your
से
father
जो भी आपको चाहिए
about your bad progress in study.
वहीं
What
जाइए,
was the reason
यहाँ
of
पे
your
देखिए
bad marks?
एडमिन, सिक्योरिटी अलार्म आइडल डायग्नोस्टिक अलार्म वो आप कर सकते हो। तो दोस्तों ऐसे आपका 12C
Daughter,
होता है ना
I
तो
became
पॉसिबल होता
upset when I read the
है। जो मैंने
questions
आपको बताया
because these
तो
questions
ध्यान
were
रखने वाली
not
बात यही
studied
है कि आपका
by me.
स्कूल सिस्टम में दावा होना चाहिए कि जब आप
You
आपको
should be
पसंद होना
ashamed
चाहिए।
of
इसके
yourself.
बाद ही आपका
You have
कुछ होगा।
disappointed me. I'm sorry. I
थैंक यू
promise you to
गाइस।
study from today. My next
आपको बहुत मज़ा
progress
आया।
would be
थोड़ी हेल्प
excellent,
शेयर किया है।
mom.
ठीक
Promise?
है, कुछ
Yes,
प्रॉब्लम होगी तो मुझे
promise,
प्लीज़
mom.
बताएं।
Thanक you. Work
होपफुली
hard.
मैं आपके प्रॉब्लम का आंसर दे पाऊँ।
Thank you for watching this video.
गाइस थैंक्स